Welcome to our channel where we solve your Axos Bank card activation failures quickly and effectively if you've recently received your Axos Bank card and faced problems activating it. This guide is made just for you. Activating your bank card should be straightforward, but sometimes small hiccups can cause frustration. Let's walk through the simple steps to resolve activation failure and get you back on track. First, ensure that your card is not damaged and that you have the correct activation method available, either through phone, online, or mobile app activation. Start by visiting Axos Bank's official website or downloading their mobile app if you haven't already. Register or log into your account using your credentials. Next, navigate to the card activation section found under your account dashboard or main menu. Enter your card details exactly as printed, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. If the system rejects your input or the activation fails, double-check the information for errors, especially spaces or mistyped numbers. Sometimes the problem comes from network connectivity, so switching to a different Wi-Fi or trying a mobile data connection can help. If online activation still doesn't work, try the phone activation method. Call the number provided on the card sticker or documentation. Follow the automated instructions carefully, ensuring you provide accurate card and personal verification details. In some cases, delays in the banking system might cause temporary activation issues. Waiting a few hours or trying again on a different day can resolve those. Additionally, confirm that your account is fully set up and verified with Axos Bank, as an incomplete account can block card activation. If you continue to face issues, contacting Axos Bank customer support is recommended. They can check for specific account flags or system issues preventing activation. When speaking with customer support, have your card and identity verification ready to expedite the process. To prevent future activation failures, keep your contact information updated on file with the bank and ensure you follow any emails or instructions they send regarding verification or security alerts. Remember, the key is methodically checking each step and making sure your account and card details are accurate and complete. By following this step-by-step approach, you can quickly troubleshoot and fix Axos Bank card activation failures with minimal hassle. Don't let activation problems delay your access to your funds. Take these actions, and you'll be ready to use your card smoothly in no time. Lastly, make sure to keep your card secure and report any suspicious activity to your bank immediately.